From being able to remove rust from your tools, making some epic looking business cards that'll definitely get people's attention. Yeah, these are made out of metal. The Xtool F1 is honestly the Swiss Army knife when it comes to crafting tools available in the market, as it's not only portable, but it's also the fastest laser engraver available, as there's multiple different videos, time comparison, real life, and how quick this thing really is. And the attention to detail is really impressive. And this is all due to the fact that it has some really advanced specs, as it not only uses a 10-watt blue light, but also has a 2-watt infrared light, which can engrave over 300 materials with a lot of exact precision. So much precision, in fact, that you can make some realistic photos out of really amazing materials that you have. This is all due to the fact that it can reach 4,000 millimeter per second maximum with an engraving accuracy 0.00199 millimeter. So with this, gone are our days of you having to go to the mall and get those third parties to make you certain things. Now you can just do it all on your own, comfort your home or at a park to do some side hustling. Heck, if you like to, you can actually handhold this and like engrave like your bicycle helmet as they demonstrate here. And I'll go ahead and also test this out as well. So after using this laser engraver for over a month now, I was super surprised how everything communicates with one another. Because very similar to our like smartphones that have like that amazing ecosystem, this thing has an amazing ecosystem of its own, but it doesn't matter if you're on Android or Apple, Mac or Windows, everything works as there's literally an app on all popular OSs, which was shocking because I was honestly expecting myself to having to spend hours to troubleshoot certain things. There was literally hardly any troubleshooting needed. The only thing I was needed to learn was the learning curve, like the learning process on materials. But thanks to Xtool website, they list literally the settings and everything right there. So you use this as a reference point to experiment on the material you're using. And out of the box, they do provide literally a bunch of materials to actually test and play with, so you can begin crafting as soon as you receive your package. Now with the mobile app, that's a hint that yes, this thing can run strictly off of Wi-Fi, which I was really surprised. Connecting this thing to Wi-Fi was super easy and straightforward. UI in the software app, it's super straightforward as well. It's so user-friendly that anybody's grandma or grandpa can easily start working on this. No disrespect to our elderly. So the way the Xtool F1 is operated, you have the slider that you use to handle to open and close, and down here you see these little holes right here. They include accessories and attachments you could actually attach to hold certain subject into play, and it also acts as a nice reference to line everything up in the software side of things. And then once you have an image that you're satisfied with, you simply you could either preview it right here on the app. It'll use this blue light to outline the subject or trace the design as well, so you can make sure you line it up properly. And once you're done and satisfied, you have the correct power settings and etc. You then send that information to the laser engraver and push the button right here on the side to confirm that you're next to it and supervise, and in no time it will begin working. Now are these other accessories you could buy, because by default you just get the unit, but if you go ahead and purchase the desktop air purifier, it's no bigger than the F1. Heck, you could even stack the two side by side. They really don't take up that much space, and with the provided cables you could just connect it directly, and the air purifier is smart enough to go on automatically as soon as it begins working. Or you could override it with these little switches on the back here. I labeled mine so I don't get confused when I have to move this around with the intake and exhaust. Now I do have these two other accessories, and basically this is more like a conveyor belt whenever you're doing coasters. This is the F1 slide extension. Then the next accessory I have over here is the RA2 Pro, which basically is just a rotating mechanism, which allows you to get like thermos, you can even do glass, and if you use acrylic marker, you can actually write on clear glass as well. And if you're concerned about like wine glass, this mechanism that's included, you can move it right here and allows it to rotate. There's really a lot of things you could utilize this accessory with. There's also a lot of extra parts where you could do like Christmas ornaments or even jewelry as well with the ring rotary attachment. And if you are an expert when it comes to laser engraving, it is compatible with other brands, which the Xtool machine can use to use other software like Lightburn's and GRBL Laser. But I still personally consider myself a novice user, and I find all the tools that I need perfectly fine with the default Xtool software. Now, in case you are laser engraving something that doesn't fit quite right in here, it's perfectly fine to leave the lid open. Just try covering it as much as possible, but not enough where it'll actually get in the way if it's rotating, as example, if you're using one of these other accessories. But if you have to leave it open, I highly recommend getting a pair of eye protection. These laser protection glasses that I have here, I picked them up on Amazon. They're reasonably priced, just around $10, and I'd much rather wear this and experience eye complications in the near future. Same goes for the air purifier. It's not recommended to burn plastic like PVC plastic, so if you have to, I highly recommend doing it outdoors. The machine can do it, but it's not recommended, and if you constantly find yourself doing it over and over again, it can risk damaging the lasers, so they don't advise you to do that. Use the materials that they recommend, but it can. I'm just saying, not recommended. It's also a health hazard as well. So in other words, yes, you could do it, just do not do it. I would advise looking into their CO2 versions instead. But as I previously stated, this thing is pretty cool as a Swiss Army knife. You could even use this on food materials as well, like buns or macaroons, and just make custom artwork on top of it in a matter of seconds. So all in all, I'm really genuinely impressed how amazing this thing is. I'm able to do a lot of stuff that I didn't realize this machine can do. So long as you're wearing the proper eyewear, in case you're doing something that requires the cover to come off a little bit more, this thing could do it all safely. But I highly recommend picking up the filtering system that they have. I still believe this is a must-have for just overall health protection. But if you're in a garage or somewhere you could have like outdoor air coming in, there shouldn't be much of an issue. But for indoor use, I do have the hose at least facing outside the window or through the screen or something. All right, let's test out the portability. Now I am inside my lab, so I'm gonna have this unit still connected to the little hose here, but I wanna try out that portable mode as I promised. So safety first, making sure we have the proper eyewear. Again, links to these glasses will be in the description down below after overlap it because I'm not wearing contacts. And I have my design right here. All I have to do is just line it up, get it close as possible, use the little side knob to focus. There we go. And I'm just gonna go ahead and hit start. Let's see how quick this is, because I have to be super steady for this to work. I am ready. Well, that could have gone a little bit better, but it's definitely outlined. So it's kind of hard to tell, but there's definitely writing right here. I'm gonna try this again because that one did not came out well. Now I'm actually going to try to actually rest it on the helmet itself instead of just firing from the hips. Because I think that's what I needed to do, is just keep it steady. So let's do it one more time. All right, these results are much better. There we go. Now that is a mighty fine wolf. This one over here, that's just my screw up. Rest the laser engraver on a steady surface. At least keep it steady, unless you have hands like a surgeon. But real life, realistic result, me just literally firing from the hips. Be sure to include links to everything, including the accessories as well as the eyewear, in the description down below, so everything's literally a click away. Keep an eye out, especially during these holiday deals. But aside from that, if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and feel free to comment down below if you have any questions you want me to answer. I'll try to get back to you timely as soon as I can, but I'm sure the community will also be helpful and answer your question. Anywho, thanks so much for watching, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one.